Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster iron, and this is the 1200. And we've got it in vivid black, and it has the beautiful like gradient blue old school swishes. Nice retro look, especially with these white wall tires. Looks super nice. We've got the all blacked out engine, the Willie G cover on the intake, Saddleman seat, really comfortable. Nice tall Sissy bar with a passenger backrest on it. This bike is really clean. The pegs have a nice grip to them. Really comfortable handlebar seating position, and we are at $21,556. And this is a 2019 Sportster Iron 1200. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.